Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change a language on Google Classroom. So all you have to do is open this Google Classroom app. You can download it in a Play Store or App Store, and tap three strap at the top of your screen and tap settings. So here you can tap on account settings. It will be directly to your Google account. And after you directly jump into your Google account, you can tap on personal info in here. And here, general preferences for the web, manage setting for Google service on the web. So you can change it on here. So you can change all by tap on this. You can add your language, or you can add another language in here. And automatically add language on, you can try to check this box and so on. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the next button below. See you in the next video.